Have you ever stopped to think about how something as ordinary as okra could have such a significant impact on your health? Known by various names like lady's finger, okra has quietly earned its place in kitchens and medicine cabinets around the world. But what's the secret behind its power? Is it really as good for you as they say? Join us as we explore the science behind okra, debunk myths, and learn how you can easily include it in your daily diet. Whether you're passionate about health or just curious, get ready to discover how okra can help you feel better and live longer. 1. Boost memory. In traditional Chinese medicine, okra is believed to be good for the brain and can help calm stress. It's filled with essential nutrients like phosphorus, omega-3, and omega-6 fatty acids, which are great for memory. Drinking okra water can be the perfect choice to improve your memory and brain health. Some modern studies even support this idea. They found that okra's antioxidants can help reduce stress and boost memory, and may even help treat anxiety disorders and dementia. So, sipping on some okra water could be a helpful contribution to your mental health. 2. Weight loss. Alongside its myriad potential benefits, one standout advantage of okra water is its potential to aid in weight loss. A study conducted with diabetic mice revealed significant reductions in body weight after 8 weeks of receiving okra extract. However, it's crucial to highlight the scarcity of human studies on the effects of okra water. Okra is particularly notable for its high fiber content and low calorie density. With only 28 calories per 100 grams, it emerges as a low-calorie yet satiating option. This fiber-rich nature of okra contributes to feelings of fullness and can assist in weight management efforts. Moreover, the wealth of vitamin C, B, folic acid, and fiber in okra water not only curb hunger, but also actively promote weight loss. The hydrating properties of okra water may play a role in weight loss efforts. Proper hydration has been linked to increased metabolism and reduced food intake, both of which are conducive to weight loss. Therefore, integrating okra water into diet may offer a multifaceted approach to weight management, leveraging its nutritional profile and hydrating qualities to support a healthy lifestyle. 3. Powerful antioxidant. Okra is a natural source of antioxidant polyphenols like flavonoids and vitamin A and C. These antioxidants can help reduce damage caused by free radicals, lower the risk of vascular embolism, and improve heart health. Because polyphenols can prevent inflammation in the brain, they can also help prevent aging and deterioration of the brain. Test tube studies have shown that okra contains important antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which may also be found in okra water. These compounds can help reduce inflammation and neutralize harmful compounds called free radicals. So adding okra or okra water to your diet can be beneficial for overall health and brain function. 4. Healthy young skin. For quite some time, there's been a prevailing belief regarding the beneficial effects of consuming okra water on skin health. Okra boasts a notable content of vitamins A and C, along with antioxidants, all of which are thought to potentially mitigate skin inflammation and enhance overall skin wellness. Furthermore, the presence of dietary fiber in okra suggests potential benefits for gut health, which in turn could indirectly contribute to skin health. Nonetheless, it's essential to acknowledge the dearth of robust scientific studies validating the direct correlation between okra water consumption and improved skin health. Thus, while incorporating okra water into one's regime may offer some potential benefits, optimal skin health is more reliably achieved through a balanced diet and diligent skincare practices. 5. Control blood sugar levels. Okra water is known for its ability to help control blood sugar levels. It's packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which slows down how quickly sugar is absorbed in the intestines. This means your blood sugar levels won't shoot up too fast after meals, which is good for people with diabetes. In one study on animals, pregnant rats with gestational diabetes who drank okra extract had better control over their blood sugar levels and also had healthier hearts. Other research found that eating whole okra helped improve blood sugar control in people with pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes. The soluble fiber in okra water might be behind these positive effects on blood sugar. Studies have shown that getting more fiber in your diet can help improve blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Before we dive into more perks of okra water, if you think we've helped you by introducing you to okra water, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips on staying healthy. 6. Manage pregnancy issues. During pregnancy, eating right is super important for keeping both mom and baby healthy. One great food option is to consider okra water. Okra is packed with vitamin B, calcium, and iron, which are really important for keeping both mom and baby healthy during pregnancy. But get this, okra has some extra perks just for pregnant ladies. It can help with morning sickness and even make labor pains a bit easier by softening the cervix walls. And here's a fun fact. Drinking okra water regularly might boost your sex drive if you're feeling a bit, well, inactive in that department. Sipping on some okra water could do wonders for you and your baby during pregnancy. 7. Dehydration. If you're not keeping track of how much water you drink every day, try having some okra water. A glass of okra water can quickly hydrate your body, giving it the moisture it needs. Even though the slimy feeling might seem a little strange to you, it's really important to stay hydrated. When you're hydrated, your body can do lots of important things, like moving nutrients around, keeping your temperature just right, and making sure your joints work smoothly. That's why it's important to stay hydrated. Adding okra water to your daily routine could make hydration easier and more beneficial. Each sip is filled with extra nutrients from the okra, which can help keep you healthy. 8. Improve digestion. Okra is like a superhero for your digestive system. It's got this special kind of fiber called mucilaginous fiber that helps move food through your digestive tract and adds bulk to your stool. This means it can help prevent all sorts of tummy troubles, like bloating, cramps, constipation, and even excess gas. And the good part is, not only does okra bulk up watery stools to prevent diarrhea, but it also helps regulate the absorption of sugar and clears out extra cholesterol in your body. Plus, since okra is packed with essential nutrients, it helps your body absorb water better, making it easier for your stool to move through your digestive system and get rid of waste. 9. Strengthens your bones. While you may not hear much about folate, everyone needs vitamin K. This important nutrient plays a key role in proper blood clotting, heart protection, and bone health. Experts suggest aiming for 120 micrograms of vitamin K daily for males and 90 micrograms for females. Usually, fruits and veggies aren't associated with bone health, but okra is a special case. It's packed with calcium, which is crucial for strong bones. Just half a cup of cooked okra gives you around 6% of your daily calcium needs. So adding okra to your diet can help boost your vitamin K intake and support bone health. 10. Prevents migraines. Okra emerges as a top contender in the battle against migraines. Increasing magnesium intake is crucial for migraine management, but many struggle to get enough of it. Luckily, a 100-gram serving of okra gives you about 9% of your daily magnesium needs, making it easier to reach your goal. Hydration is another key factor in preventing migraines, and okra can lend a hand here too. Its mucus-forming fiber holds onto water, keeping you hydrated all day long. So if you're looking for a natural way to fend off migraines, adding okra to your diet might just do the trick. If you're convinced that okra is the solution you've been searching for, then it's time to learn how to make okra water and start enjoying it every morning. To make okra water, start by grabbing some fresh okra pods. Give them a good wash to get rid of any dirt or debris. Slice the okras into rounds and add them to a clear pitcher of cool water. Let these okra slices steep overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you'll have a refreshing glass of okra water ready to go, perfect for a healthy start to your day. And if you want to discover more refreshing juices to kickstart your day, don't miss out on this video that we made about celery juice and why you should drink it together with your morning coffee.